Hey there! Did you know MDF is made from plantation wood fibers? That's right, it's eco-friendly. Welcome to Interiors Ka Reply. I'm Nandita and today we are talking about MDF, medium density fiberboard, a popular material for home interiors. Let's dive in. What exactly is MDF? MDF is made by breaking down wood fibers and mixing them with wax resin and other additives. Then it's pressed under heat and pressure to create a super smooth sturdy board. With Greenply MDF, you get a material that's perfect for projects where you want a clean, polished finish without knots and undulations on the surface. Why choose MDF for your home? Here's why MDF should be your go-to for many home projects. First, smooth surface. It's perfect for veneering. No rough spots, just a clean professional finish. Second, versatility. MDF can do it all. Cabinetry, moldings, furniture, you name it. Third, it's cost effective. It's much more affordable than solid wood, but still packs a punch in terms of quality. Fourth, dimensional stability. MDF doesn't warp, crack, or change shape with humidity, making it a solid long-term choice. When is MDF the better choice? MDF shines in cabinetry, especially for painted kitchen and bathroom cabinets. It gives you a smooth factory-like finish. Furniture. It's perfect for sleek modern furniture like desks, tables and shelves. Wall paneling. MDF is great for wall treatments and detailed moldings. It's customizable and looks fab. What are a few tips for installing Greenply MDF? If you're working with Greenply MDF, here are a few tips to get it right. Moisture considerations. Check moisture in wet areas like bathrooms unless it's treated for moisture resistance. Proper finishing. Seal those edges and use the right primers to get that professional look. Maximizing strength. For heavier use, go for thicker panels or add extra support to keep things sturdy. Why choose Greenply's MDF? Greenply's MDF is top-notch, offering zero-emission MDF carb P2, safe for your home's air quality. Prod IQ technology ensures consistent quality and a perfect finish every time. Special features. Greenply has fire retardant and moisture resistant options for added safety. That's a wrap for today's episode of Interiors Ka Reply. In our next episode, we talk about what plywood to use when it comes to your home. How do you pick that perfect material? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to find out. Explore Greenply's range of MDF, plywood, PVC, doors, veneers and more at www.greenply.com. See you.